So guys, in this video what we are going to see about the callback function. Okay, generally in functions, in programming functions, we can able to pass the parameter. For example, here I'm having a sample function called add, and it has the two parameters called a comma b. So whenever I'm calling this function called add, I need to pass this particular value for the a comma b. But instead of this one, if I want to pass a function, then how we can able to do it? Okay, so now what happens is I am calling this execute method from here with the parameter of add. This add is representation of this function name. Okay, so whenever I am calling this, whenever I am executing this file, as you can see here, I can get this output. Okay, so which means now I am passing this function as a parameter. Okay, so here one more thing I can able to do it, which means here I can able to do, I can add one more line, which is called just for your understanding, I'm adding this line, one more line. Okay, so now what happens is, if I refresh it, as you can see here, still I can able to get this output, which means we can pass this function as a parameter. Okay, but when it comes to a normal parameter like a comma b, it expects only one parameter, correct? But in this place we can able to pass the function as a parameter. Okay, here one more scenario. Instead of this one, we can able to do the function, we can pass it in the directly like this also, it is also fine. Okay, so here also I am passing this one. I can say understanding, I'm just giving a different log here. Okay, maybe I can comment this one as well. Okay, this I will comment it, but now I am passing this parameter in like this actually. Okay, it's which is like an anonymous function. Okay, now I refresh it, as you can see here, I can able to get this output properly. Okay, maybe remove this. Okay, so now I can able to get this one. So this is kind of anonymous function which can be passed from this function. Okay, but there is a one more way of implementing the same scenario. We can use the arrow function. So which means I can remove this keyword called function. Instead I can mention this arrow function. That's it. Okay, so this will also do the same thing, as you can see here. Refresh it, as you can see here, I can able to get this output. Okay, so this is how we can able to pass this call functions as a parameter to another functions. So this will be useful for this will be useful in many places, like if you want to execute some functions after completing some actions. So in all these ways, this callback functions will be useful. Okay, so maybe by next video we will see how to where and all we can use this callback functions real time in application in JavaScript.